See how this home turned into a cozy, well-balanced space. The main problem here is one that many homeowners face: small area and hard to figure out how to design it properly. The idea is simple. Every piece should have a purpose, and every corner should flow naturally into the next. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Now, let's see how each furniture choice helped solve the problem. When your living area feels small, the solution isn't adding more furniture. It's about creating balance through the right tones, textures, and connections. So, the first step is always your base finishes, the surfaces that set the tone for everything else. The light oak wood flooring instantly makes your room feel bright and spacious. The lighter tone reflects natural light beautifully. Then comes the accent wall, painted in Sherwin-Williams still water. This deep tone adds contrast against the floors. Now, focus on purposeful pieces, furniture that defines each zone but still connects visually. Start with a teal two-seater sofa. The rich color ties directly to your wall, giving the space depth. It makes the space easy to move through while still offering enough seating for 2 or 3 people. In front of it, a round black coffee table creates a strong visual center and helps the space feel relaxed. It's also the perfect height to hold small decor items without cluttering your view. A patterned rug sits beneath both the sofa and table. The organic black and white pattern adds a modern touch and defines the seating zone. Near the entry, you can hang abstract wall art. Its bold black and beige palette connects directly to the coffee table and rug. Mounted on the same wall are 2 circular wall sconces that add soft warmth in the evenings, balancing the natural light from your window. You can choose Venetian blinds for your window. They filter natural light during the day and soften the shadows on your dark wall. Across one wall, the concept is to merge the entry and TV area into one unified feature wall, using materials that carry warmth and structure. The wall features a dark oak wall panel. Its rich tone grounds the space and adds contrast. Layered over this dark base is a vertical wood slat panel that adds depth and rhythm. The light oak tone balances the darker wall, preventing the area from feeling too heavy. Below, a low media console in oak and white runs across the width of the wall. The floating design keeps the floor open and airy while serving as storage for your media, electronics, and shoes. Center your flat-screen TV on the slatted section. This layout makes your screen look built-in while keeping the focus balanced. Meanwhile, a floating shelf bridges the entertainment, breaking the flatness of the wall and adding vertical interest. These media wall pieces let you style the area with small potted plants, a mushroom lamp, or even a pegboard wall organizer. Simple details that make a big design statement. To the left, near the door, place a soft gray cushion on top of the floating console to create a proper entry spot. You can add a rectangular mirror, expanding your entry visually, reflecting both light and depth to make the space feel twice as open. Finally, add ceiling track lighting, a simple yet effective feature that directs light exactly where it's needed. By the end, you'll have a balanced, warm, and complete living area that feels calm yet stylish. All of this can be achieved for about $3,700 to $3,900 total, and you can find all the product links in the tagged section below. A dining spot doesn't need to be big, it just needs to be smartly arranged. The easiest way to fix it is to start from above and behind. You can choose a cove ceiling with an inner wood panel accent, hidden LED strip light, and a track lighting. This instantly gives your dining area its own identity. Down to the wall, install a combination of flat and fluted wall panels. Keeping them clean and subtle allows the textures above to stand out, helping the small space feel taller and calmer. Now for the main dining set. Go for a rectangular dining island in black and warm oak. It becomes the anchor of the room. This table works double duty, perfect for casual dining, food prep, or even work from home tasks. For seating, you can add low curved dining chairs in a walnut finish to balance the wooden table. Their rounded shape and low height maintain an open visual flow while complementing the Scandinavian feel. Just place a few stylish pieces like a clear vase with fresh flowers, and suddenly it transforms into a warm, defined zone, proving that even a small corner can feel inviting, stylish, and truly connected, all for around $2,500. For your kitchen area, what you really need is a kitchen that looks clean and works efficiently. So let's start with your main cooking counter on the left, where all the functional tasks happen. You might consider Blackstone countertop and backsplash. Instantly add a bold, modern touch while keeping the area easy to clean. It connects visually to your dining island top. The depth of the stone contrasts beautifully with your base and upper cabinets in warm oak, bringing warmth and echoing the wood tones from the adjacent zone. Together, the black and wood create balance, modern yet cozy, practical yet calm. This becomes your main cooking counter, and even small daily items help soften the lines and bring life to the hard surfaces. Now, turn to your second counter, the casual and storage counter. This features a light oak countertop, while the wood slat panel at the back adds warmth and texture. The base and upper cabinets in matte white brighten that part of the kitchen, balancing the deep tone of the nearby teal sofa. Their matte finish reflects light, helping your kitchen stay bright even with limited windows. This is where you can prep food or store small appliances, like your microwave. You can add simple styling pieces so it doesn't look plain. Between these two counters stands a tall oak storage unit with an open space that holds your stainless refrigerator, a central divider that's both functional and design smart. It acts as a neutral bridge, balancing the black countertop on one side and the lighter prep counter on the other. So instead of being just a cooking area, your kitchen becomes stylish, practical, and made for everyday living. The estimated cost for this kitchen is around $4,300 to $4,500. Every furniture, finish, and color here was chosen to connect the zones, improve lighting, and create a cozy Scandinavian and contemporary atmosphere, while keeping everything modern and low maintenance. You can also get a design plan similar to this for an estimated minimum cost of $9,900. So what are you waiting for? Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.